In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record rent payments in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a landlord managing multiple tenants or just handling a few rental properties, keeping your financial records accurate and organized is essential. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool to help with this, and today I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can confidently record rent payments with ease. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the New button at the top left corner of the page and click on it. This will bring up a list of transaction types to choose from. Next, from the list of options, select Receive Payment. This is the feature you'll use to record the rent payment from your tenant. Now, in the Customer field, you'll need to select the tenant who made the payment. QuickBooks will display a drop-down menu with a list of your customers or tenants. Simply find and select the correct tenant's name. After selecting the tenant, enter the payment date. This should reflect the exact date when you receive the money. Accurately recording the date is important for keeping your records consistent and up to date. Then type in the exact amount of the payment you received. Be sure to double-check this number to ensure it matches the amount the tenant paid. If you'd like to add any additional notes or context for future reference, you can enter a memo. For instance, you might include the unit number or the month the rent payment covers. Adding a memo is optional but can be helpful for quick reference later on. Now, in the Deposit To field, select the bank account where the payment was deposited. This ensures that QuickBooks records the transaction in the correct account. If you have multiple bank accounts linked to QuickBooks, make sure you choose the right one. Below the payment details, you'll see the tenant's open invoices displayed. Review the list carefully. If the payment is meant to cover a specific invoice, select that invoice to apply the payment. If the payment isn't tied to an invoice, you can leave it unselected and the payment will be held as a credit on the customer's account. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. Double-check the tenant's name, the payment date, the amount, the deposit account, and whether the payment is applied to an invoice or held as credit. Ensuring everything is correct now will save you time later. Once you're confident that all the information is accurate, click either Save and Close to finish, or Save and New if you need to record another payment immediately after. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a rent payment in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.